What's up, guys? Oopsies. Wait a second. I haven't. Gotta do things. My bad. Gotta do things and stuff and whatnots. There we go. Okay, now we're good. Now we're good to go. Okay. New York high has now been taken, but it would have dropped real fast over there. Real fast. Oh, Richard, what's up? And Jules, how are you? Sorry, I have all the hiccups. Let's have some fun. Heck yeah. Let's see if we get any amazing opportunities. I'm wanting to say we're gonna have some real awesome ones, but let's also just not get ahead of ourselves. 9:17. We do have a itty bitty bit of time. Let's see what we get. You're in short before the open. Okay, Solly. Boo. Okay, we got this. So you were in short before the open. That's happening, cool. 9:17. Now we're gonna get this party started. Let's quickly mark out the London high and low. Okay, well, London high was there, London low right here at the bottom. This was where that liquidity zone was. Oopsie daisies. Okay, let's fix this. There we go. That's better. That's much better. London low. I'm gonna do a quick top to bottom. Let's see this bias here. Okay, so daily. Bullish bias. 4 hours, so I'm not gonna look at the candles yet. 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. Bullish 75%, awesome. Sorry, I literally just wanted to check that out. Now we can do a top to bottom proper analysis. Let's do the daily. I've marked everything else up. What's up, OTT? Entry 740, going to take partial before open. I won't lie, I don't remember London session. I was so dead. Oh, I mean, you weren't really here for it. So, ooh. Hate that. Hate all of this. Okay, let's go here. What's up, Eddie? How are you doing? What a glorious day. Look at you go. Damn. Okay, we're right by the tippy top over there. Let's see if we reject off of this now, if we're gonna continue. Like I said, 940 zone is where I'm still kind of keen on. Let's see if we end up going back up that high. Daily. Let's check the 4 hour. My eyes. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. That was my bad. That was my bad. I apologize, OTT. Oopsies. Are you awake now? You know, I was just making sure that you were awake and ready for this. Yeah? Yeah. So, okay. Sorry, when I'm back on the 1 minute, I'll double check your... It's not just you, OTT, she forced me into a trade. What the hey diddly day? I did nothing. Don't lie to people. I didn't force anybody. I forced nobody nothing. I forced nobody nothing. Yeah, English. Okay. 4 hour. Okay, back down to view app potentially if we're going to continue going up. Let's see if it wants to create another lower high before continuation, in which case should spike a little bit higher, potentially back down to view app and then going back up 15 minutes. Okay, unfortunately, I have a little bit of a bullish bias. Let's see. I know a lot of people won't agree with that one today. 5-minute. Nintendo, what's up? How you doing? I'm awake. Is today Tuesday or Wednesday? It's Tuesday today. Yes, it's Tuesday. I had to think about that. And damn, Bitcoin teaching me patience. Really? I set my stop and profit at 735. Set my limit sells and stop loss and profit, and I'm done. Oh, nice. There we go. Sorry, itchy nose. Okay. 1 minute. It's been filling all of those fair value gaps now on the way up. Cool. Now one. That's not my fault. I did nothing of the sort. It did that all by itself. Just before I get yelled at, that was not my fault. Damn, Eddie, you're in such a good mood. I love it. Why are you in such a good mood, though? That sounds very, like, suspicious, but, you know. Why? Why are you in such a good mood? Trading by candlelight. That's my secret. Get romantic with her. Arr. Anyways, that was weird. I'm sorry, I regret all my decisions doing that one, but moving on. $9.22. Okay. I feel like I haven't marked some things up, but I actually have. Okay, Solly, let me see. Where did you say you at? Entry at 7:40. Nice. Gonna take partial before I still have stopped profit at 7:35. Cool. Where's your TP at? It's actually a little spooky in here. The wood is making the candle flicker. What's up, Debbie? How you doing? I got hit by the same train Solly was hit with. The profit train? The green train? No? Yes, maybe? Oh, are you talking about the romantic train? Is that what's happening? I'm so confused right now. There's a lot of trains going on. Solly. What's on that baby? My TP wallet. Okay. Okay, I see we're starting the weirdness oh so early in this stream. So anyways.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Yes, a second. Market Man, what's up? How you doing? Instant Maya effect earlier, I know, but to be fair, it dropped down and then carried on going sideways, so yeah, meh. Gosh darn it. Aw, Mark, I'm so glad. Candle here. No one in the history of the world has uttered that phrase before. Why was there massive dump digits on your screen earlier? Eddie, I have no idea. Was there? What's up, Mario G-Man? How you doing? You are all welcome for my creativity. Still the massive candle down. See, as you logged off was hilarious. You say hilarious, I say rude. Oh, so rude. The audacity be real up here. Wow. So much audacity from so many people. No, I'm kidding. Sometimes I really do think that there is someone watching and they are just absolutely hosing themselves watching this and being like, how can we get her this time? 4 minutes to go. Da, 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 da. I can't flipping stop yawning. This is gonna be very, very irritating. Do I know? No, what's that? Market man? What is that? Oh, sorry, itchy nose. Okay, 926. Like I said. Oh, here we go. Solly, did you say where your TP was at? No. 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 Add in my stop down 27221 to lock a little something before open. Okay. Well, it had different ideas. I suspected it him. He gave me the yawn. Hey, Mario G-Man, don't type yawn. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm one of those people that if I, like, I'm actually not going to tell you. Because I know exactly what you guys will do. So I'm going to be very quiet now. I'm going to be very, very quiet now. Hey, 3 minutes. Well, technically like nearly 2 minutes. Ooh, here we go. Oh, Solly, I got you. Still whoop whoop. Still in the green. That's awesome. That was so unnecessarily rude. I'm just putting that out there. Unnecessary. Okay. Oh, man. I feel like I've just given you guys ammunition. Which is terrible. Y'all don't need any more ammunition. Just saying. Oh, man, now I can't stop thinking about it. Okay, I wanted to see something quickly. Bruh. What's up, Trade Addict? How you doing? That's my buff. It's a full port open. Go for it. We already know what. You tell on yourself all the time. I know, it's a problem. I should just, you know, be better. Right? I should just be better. That's the key word. Just be better. Okay, last minute before open. Oh, this is gonna be a long stream. Wow. Wow. Woo. Anyway. Last minute, just know that you're not alone. Crazy as well. Thanks, Mario G-Man. We're in this together. We're suffering together. 30 seconds to go. I'm good, long time. Yeah, it's rude. Where have you been, Trade Addict? Offense was taken. No, I'm kidding. How you been? How's the trading been? It'd be kind of crazy not to look at that. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, woo! 1. Why is it starting early?
Okay, let's go.
Bruh, okay. Okie dokie. There's literally 8 symbols that are running over 100% today. I got the watery eyes. I want to blame Perry because he's lying here snoring his head off, but that's rude and that's a lie. I can't blame him. Seriously, guys, I need to stop yawning. This is so irritating. I'm like, maybe it's because I'm not breathing enough. Like, not getting enough oxygen, but that can't be right. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4. Let's see what we get. 3, 2, and 1. You know what I didn't do? I did not go to the 15-minute and mark out the 15-minute liquidity like an absolute chop. Anyways. Oh, look who it is. What's up, Company X? I'm gonna buy some and hold. So many, it's ridiculous. I can't remember the last time I've seen this. Watching a stream and reading other people's comments makes me do stupid things, so I had to take a break. Trade addict, that's valid. That is valid. I think a lot of people do better trading without the distractions. And without the doubt, because no one sees the market the same. And I've done a lot of polls. Do you know how often it is of like nearly an exact 50-50 split of what people think is going to happen? It's actually ridiculous. Yep, I only trade M and Q. Marketman 29822. Ooh-wee, here we go. Well, especially for now, I do have ES open on this side. ES is climbing while NQ is dropping, so... Okay, let's see what we get. I've done a lot of... What? What did I say? Atlanta, I don't even remember what I said. What did I say? What did I say? I don't even remember. Polls. I've done a lot of polls. You know, like the YouTube poll where people can vote. Okay, that went down into the odd level. Ooh, I nearly took that and I was like, no, wait, nope, I'm on my funded. I'll have to go to the paper if I want to take the bob to bob. Again, purely kind of out of curiosity to see how it goes. ES is still pushing. And NQ is dropping. Hate that. Not a fan of that at all. Yeah, you know, the YouTube poll. Atlanta, don't be weird. $9.33. Okay. Still don't have a first presented. 5? Yeah. 566 was where I suspected we might go into, tap into VWAP, and then continuation, potentially back up to the buy side. Let's see if that prediction is correct or not. Midnight Magnet. There, it now corrected itself. Okay, 939. Come on, let's give me an A+ today, please. Let's be nice and give me an A+ today. I got out for 3K. Oh, Mario G, man! Do you know what? I think that deserves a very crisp whoop whoop. That is awesome! What the heck, man? Hey, Hassan, how you doing? How's it going? Trade Addict, a little bit more on the careful side of life, and I've been waiting for only A+ setups and they're just not coming. So I do then go and I do some paper trades. I'm actually on the paper trading testing the B setups. This morning the 2 B setups were actually winners, but like I said, I need to get some trust in them on the paper account before I take them on the funded account. So I'm doing 2 things on the paper account. I'm trading the bob to bob levels. You remember the bob to bob levels? I'm trading the bob to bob levels on the paper account. And I'm now trying the B setup on the paper account as well. Damn, this looks really good. I just don't think it's gonna come this far back. There's the 5-minute candle. Look at this thing. Damn. Okay, the 5-minute candle is not as big as, oh, it's close, but it's not as big as yesterday. How big was yesterday's 5-minute candle? It was 100 and something points. Yeah, trade addict. It's frustrating, don't get me wrong. Don't think I'm not frustrated with the whole process. Like, I would love for it to just grow now, but I know to also not do dumb things. Right, trading only the A++ setups is what's gotten me out of the deep end, but... Well, I guess I'm still in the deep end, but you know what I mean. The bob to bob levels be this. So actually, bob to bob level I was looking at would have looked like this here. I was keen on that entry. Up to that bob level. This was actually one I was a little bit more keen on. So entry would have been here. What's that? Oh, nice. It's a nice trade right there. Good solid 2R. TP would have been at 755. So these shaded in areas over here, company X, those are the bob levels. I guess. I know what you're saying is correct, and I know patience is key. You know, patience, pay, P-A-Y, chance, but damn. But I guess that's where the paper account's quite nice. I do the FOMO, I do the revenge trading, I do everything on the paper, get it out of my system, only take the A+ setups on the funded. Again, don't get me wrong, it's still frustrating, but... For example, okay, let's pop onto paper until we get something. For example, this is a B setup, not an A+. Is it? Yeah, screw it. Let's. Yeah, it's paper. This is the first presented fair value gap as well. Got to mark that off. Damn. Hold on. Anyways, I'm crazy but true. It helps. I do that without paper trading. I'll literally trade like $10 worth of stock for my first trade. Even lose on purpose sometimes just to get myself going. What? So wait. Atlanta, you want to get angry? Is that what you're saying? Excuse me. Thank you. I was about to say. Let's see if this one works out or not. Like I said, theoretically, this was a B setup. Actually, may have been an A+ setup, but I don't know if I don't think I would have wanted to have risked the amount that needed to be risked. Let's see. Yep, come on, reject properly. Okay, tapped into that level on ES. Ah, this is gonna be a good one. Watch I say that and now it goes down. No, as I said that. Let's go ES, let's go. Let's go ES, let's go. Into the Ooh, Atlanta's into the psychology. I love it. The high was taken, so probably is gonna take the lows now. Let's see. This is why we start off with a little bit of a paper trade. Get the flow, the vibe of the day. I'm not really that type of person, but I'm sticking with it now. Get the flow and the vibe of the day. I started off with a bit of a bullish bias, but maybe the bears are gonna come take over. This is going to be a good one. Oh, you think this is going to be a winner-winner chicken dinner? Let's see, it's a little bit stuck around this. Oh, that looks good. Sorry, I tend to note that when you have two wicks that are basically equal in length and of opposite color, it tends, not always, obviously, it tends to mean that now we're gonna start going. Again, not always, it's just something I've taken note of before in the past. So there would be one sell there. What is that? One sell there. And I will leave a runner. Was actually an A+ setup. I just didn't trust the range of it. It was an A+. Like I said, I just didn't like the range. I don't think I would have been willing to risk the amount. I should have taken it. Oh well, it's fine. It is what it is. There's a whoop whoop. Just like that, and like I said, I'm gonna leave a runner now. Might come and take me out here, but cool. How do you go about trusting the range? Like if the range is too big for what I'm willing to risk. That makes sense. Yeah, that was a good. Should start trusting that more. I should start trusting that more because that was a really, really good range. Okay, tapped into the bob levels. If it's gonna come back down, it's gonna come back down now. So let's just move it there. So even if it takes me out, nothing gained. Well, nothing extra lost. It would have been where the normal TP was. RAB. Okay, what's the rules? Oh, cheers, Mario G-Man. You're amazing. Have fun. Before, if the setup is A+, you shouldn't really be looking for a reason. Your trade could fail because there must be something. I know, OTT. And you see the overthinking is back, which is frustrating and shouldn't be here. But here we are. I know you're right. I shouldn't have overthought that one. I should have actually just taken it because it was in the bob level. First presented fair value gap, and I had this order block. It was a really flipping good trade. Shucksy doodles. And now we're just leaving a runner. What's up, Cosmic? How you doing? Cool. I think I'm gonna leave the runner there. If everything in your checklist gets tag limit set, if you don't want, you don't need points you're willing to lose. Let me quickly check something. That's the perfect bob trade, equal lows with an engulfing candle, absolute perfect setup. I know. It's okay. Wait, did you miss it or? To be fair, so did I. Oh no, man, I'm being an absolute chop. That was the trade. I want to see if I had only risked one. How much it would have been. 56. Maybe I would have taken it. You know, I'm not really risking over 50 at this point, OTT. But it's just what I'm busy thinking out loud on. Anyone jump on the ES train? Yeah, that ES is shooting off. Ah, company X heresy. Well, there we go. That always happens, by the way. Whenever you guys take a trade that I have not taken, it tends to be a winner-winner. So, well done. Good trade. Proud of you. I'm not salty at all. Good grief. Ah, but trade act, that's the thing. That's, with it sized down, it was a tad bit over what I would normally risk right now. But maybe I should just stop giving a damn about that, hey? Good actual grief. This is not running away, this is sprinting away with damn speed. Oh my gosh. Seriously, what is this? I got it on the paper account. I had such a good flipping... No. If it hadn't worked out, I would have been like, oh, thank heaven. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I left a runner for that specific trade, but it is on the paper, so... And what do you mean by that? What do you mean by... It's one thing to know the trade, see the trade, click the trade. Do you ever think about that kind of stuff? Yeah, I overthink that kind of stuff. It's like my damn kryptonite. It's one thing I've been... Oh my gosh! ES is running away! 940 was my point of interest. It's going up to those damn equal highs. Okay. I'm not gonna go to down here. I don't know if I should just take it where it is. You're welcome for what happened? Anyways, moving on. OTT might be a no trade day for you. Why? Plenty of times I've seen that things correctly. No, I'm doing yada yada yada, but then my inch will be horrible. I'll do a limit buy instead of market. That's the thing. I think I always do the limit, right? Bit low. Trade addict, I guess that's fair. That is actually fair. Well, let's see if we get another opportunity now. So who said level hit? That's what I was saying earlier. I had to break down my style way of doing things in order to make sure that I was catching stuff. No, that makes sense. It does make sense. So let's see if this is going to take me out here. If it does, who cares? If it doesn't, cool. I picked the entry point system. To be fair, Market Man, what level did you see that it hit? Oh, dear. Sorry, you have to remind me about a bunch of those things. A lot of people tell me a lot of things. quite often. I need to. Okay, might get taken here. Would expect a little bit of a retest though, so that's fine. It's the next 4 hour indicated gap, then maybe I'll try short. If we close above the gap now, maybe I'll long, I don't know. I'll go with price. 119 extension on the 50-minute pullback. Oh, thank you, Markman. 29822. Well, it's figuring some stuff out here, definitely. Okie dokie. Okay. Market accept price of the high value may decent, but let's see. Just want to see if that 29700 holds. This might be the deciding point right now. See if it's going to retrace. So retracement of this whole move here. It's down below. Ooh, this is actually way too large to take. Sugar honey. Okay. We are trading the ranges today. Let's see what happens. Yeah, definitely won't be able to take that. Where would the entry be? Or to be less? Have a look at that. Yeah, when was it that I was down 900? Dude. Maybe I should just start doing this on the funded. See what happens. Say screw it. But I know that's a bad idea. Okay, let's see if this is just solidly rebalancing or if we're gonna go back up. Taps into the 930 and 5-minute range. Might want to just come and wick out first. Nah, okay, wow. Wow. Going a tad bit against trend here. Okay, Company X. One, two. Let's check the 5-minute. Nope, going too far down for me to want to take that entry over there. Pull back into the first presented. Okay, let's go onto the funded. Let's have a look-see. Maybe a tad bit close. We're going against things here. Okay, let's see. Short 1 micro 813 closed at 745. Nice! Yeah, that's because bob levels are some secret sauce. Dag nabbit. Okay, tapped into that first presented. Let's see how it reacts off of there. Shoot. Would have been my point of interest. Okay, back down. Let's see if it taps back into there. Could have gone back there. That would have been nice. Yeah. Still watching. Secret sauce, baby. Literally. Literally. Well, not me. Bob invented. Hence the name Bob. And I wouldn't really say, well, yeah, invented. I guess it's some secret sauce. Indicator, kind of. So Bob, actually, you know, I was forward testing the Bob to Bob during London today. Worked really, really well. In London even, which is saying a lot. Just have to know where to place the damn stop loss. And that's what I normally struggle with. Sure, just shy there. You only like it in New York Open. I know, and you say only until like the first hour. First hour and a half. Hour and a half. I normally stop at like the first hour, to be fair. And to answer that question, I haven't, because I don't really trade the Bob to Bob levels properly yet. That's why I've been forward testing it on the paper account. But Bob has gotten payouts from them, yes. I know that much for a fact. Here we have. There we go, beautiful. So Bob with this one, an entry when it pulled back, mark it in, right? Again though, my whole thing is where the hey diddly day would I put the stop loss. Always struggle with that. Maybe leave it at a 1 to 2. No, but this one, I marked it. Big rejection of that 1 hour order block. How old are you, Company X? And how long have you been trading for? Listen, Sully, why are you laughing? Ooh, is Holly coming out? Whee! Down we go. London load 566, yep. You mentioned that taking out the high, now it's going to take out the low. 19 and been trading 3 months. Okay. Okay. Well, you're officially one of the youngest ones here. Welcome. I've never seen it so sarcastic. It happens sometimes. What prop firm are you using? Company X? Ooh, 10 a.m. reversal. Let's see if it is indeed the 10 a.m. reversal. And she'll retest into that. He knows not what he does wrong! Oh gosh, that's hilarious. What do I say wrong? Nothing. Company X, you've done nothing wrong. What strategy do you trade, Company X? Five-minute again. Who's gonna drive me mental? One of these taken. 15-minute. Okay. Don't let her cut. She's really evil. Rude? No, I'm not. Nah, I'm not rich at all, Company X. But I appreciate that. There you go. See if we get a rejection off of the wick. There's like 25 horses just throwing money at them. Why is Solly coming here lying? He is 19. Mikwava, yes. You're not a horse watcher because she can be mean to the NQ is fire. What's up, Multimira? How you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Missed my A+ setup. Don't like taking them in the bob level, so that's fine. Still bump, but still. I'd go used to 3. Well, you know, at least those ones sometimes would pay back, hey? Who knows? Good day to lose all finances and say GV squeeze up correctly predicted. Pretty good start day in the red, like 3K, bounce back on this New York Open. Nice! Alright, fair enough. Yep. Where are you from? Any of the cool countries? Bet on horses. Often on some SL, GB and lines already tied together. So this one time before when I squeezed, so I went ahead and put some money in. This time it's squeezed up hard. Nice. Okay. Liquidity, VWAP, Midnight Magnet, London Low. I'd be keen to see it go down and take this out and tap into VWAP, but... Let's see what we get. This is your fault. What? Oh, what? What is the fault? What the heck? He's from America, living in Kentucky. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Anyways. Sorry, I don't know why I said that. We're moving on. Okay. Here we go. I've been working on having the clearest, most beautiful mind ever, which includes not trading. Okay, every morning when I wake up, I think of a million other things I could be doing. And then your boyfriend, he's calling you baby girl. He wishes. I actually went to Kentucky Derby one time. Have you guys watched Secretariat? The movie? Banger movie. It's about horses. You guys probably won't care that much. But it's a really good movie. If you're a horse person or not. Just putting it out there. Still a really good movie. Okay, it's fine. Now it looks like it's kind of chopping. Yeah, he's buying his Bluetooth boyfriend. Wow. Market man. Thank you. Thank you. Are you a horsey person? But you still think it's a good movie? Then awesome. To be fair, Seabiscuit's also a bang of a movie. The Kentucky Derby just made me think about Secretariat. Sorry. The hints, that random little waffle I went on about. I was like, my uncle owns horses and I didn't do things in her. This is the first time you saw her. My psychology of it all is what I mean. It sounds crazy, but literally every time I touch this, I just make a lot of money. And I know I'm no expert. Okay, listen here, brag much. Slow down, come back. Brother Bear. Shoot, Bob to Bob. I was just about to say, just missed that Bob level. It could still come back slightly, but now this is gonna go straight down. Shoot. Give me an opportunity, NQ. Please. And London low taken. Let's see if we now get a proper retest back up. Just running away. Oh, I forgot this was on my funded. I nearly just like marketed in. That would have been bad. Been working for twice just so the kind of change up in the shop and the change of pace and everything. It's just a little much. Then go for a run, you know, start doing exercise or something. You seem like the pretty auntie that has no kids and a bunch of pets. Heck yeah, I respect and say heck yeah to that. Always and any day. I will so happily be that person. And the one that never ever ever has kids and is so happy with that life choice. That's me! That's me. 120%. This is gonna be too big. Isn't it? It is gonna be too big, I can tell you that much for a fact. Oh. I don't really want to risk that amount. Okay, I'll take this one on the paper. Shoot, man. Okay, let's go to paper. I'm being dumb for taking this on the paper. Should I just take it? No, it took out a bunch of sell-side liquidity. If it's going to retrace, it might retrace really far up. Sorry, the overthinking is happening. Yeah, no, I just want to... That's it. Okay, now I know what you did. What? Trade addict, what happened? Oh, did you see something? What happened? Trade addict, what did you see? You don't know what the job kit? No. No. I was reading a study that women with no kids later in life regret it so hard, but who knows, you'll be... I don't know what study you read, but I literally have multiple female friends, all in their, like, what? Late 40s, 50s. All of them have not had kids, and all of them say that they do not regret it. They're actually so happy with their decision because they can live their life and spend their money on whatever the heck they want to. Respect. So much respect. You know, and I could go on about reasons why not to have kids, but I think the better reason is why should you? Give me a good reason why I should have a kid. A good reason. That's always my best. To be like, give me a good reason why I should have a kid. You know, this hold on to a good stop loss and take advice and go for a walk into I like that. Richard, it is the best scene ever. The suspense. Oh, that movie director needs a raise because he did such a, yes, I'm saying a lot, but he did such a flipping good job with that scene. The suspense, the everything is just flipping top notch. Amazing. Me 38 years of life, I've realized my life is pretty much perfect outside of what I have to interact with other human beings. Not all, but listen. I'm allowed to their friends about how happy they are in the end. They say they were self-centered in their youth. No. Literally, like I said, well, maybe self-centered, maybe selfish. I'm not afraid to admit that, yeah, I'm a little bit selfish. But again, I asked the question of give me a good reason why someone should have a kid. Wow, we're having lots of very scary debates today. Anyways, having a kid, what I think we don't have kettles in SA. You think we don't have kettles? Kettles? Anyways. Jordy doesn't even boil water on fire. Because of evil, my seeds passing on. I don't know about you. Yeah, I think they look like aliens, and the world doesn't need more of me. Sorry, this is not a topic I'm very passionate about. Triggered. Anyways, moving on. Bruh, can we slow the heck down, NQ? Seriously, it's about boom, it's nearly at your damn level. It's at the new daily opening. We're gonna be here and I'm talking about me and my jeans. Ah. No, I know, you and your jeans. Oh, guys, we could have such debates about this. I'm weighing in my head if it's worth having this debate right now or not. Probably not. Majority of people in America, households do have kettles. Microwave, hot water, wow. Well, it's up to 1.5, 1.6 and they're selling, I think it's... While I'm chatting, this is so ridiculous. There's opportunity in every consolidation. Oh, Multimirror, I like that. Brother Bear, okay. I can't get in on this. It's... It has just, for lack of a better word, it has just effed off without me. Holy cow, who got in on the short? Oh, that was 5. You just watched me take, I'm not proud of it. Bob? What? How? Where? Why? Wait, why are you not proud of it? Was it a YOLO trade? Still for poop, but yeah.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Cheers! Cheers, Atlanta, enjoy. I don't want 60 minutes. Cheers, Atlanta, mad love, have fun. Bye! He was playing an angle. I'm just here going, what the heck is going on today? You probably don't even like kids. Flip, that was weird. What a weird day. Anyways. Yo, you guys are starting the headache early. Do you know that? Starting the headache early. Okay. Okay, let me try and see. This is the trade Bob took, which is, sorry. Was it a bit of a revenge? 10 contracts. Wait a second. I don't think I saw that correctly. I don't think I saw that correctly. Proceeds to take my glasses off to see better. Idiot. Okay, 3-3. Okay, did you straight up revenge trade? Bob, is that kind of what I'm seeing here? Did you maybe take a sell here, got stopped out, you took a buy there, got stopped out, YOLO'd in with 10 contracts? No? Sorry. No? No. Maybe. YOLO'd in with 10 contracts here. Is that it? I think 2 years ago. Bruh, you still look at it. You nailed it. Revenge trade. Damn. Damn, did you just mark it in? I mean, it worked out, but I understand why you're saying you're not proud of it. Worked out, but didn't work out for the right reason. Hello, Platinum Player, what's up? No, I was an idiot. I took an A+ setup on the paper, and now I haven't had an A+ setup again. No, into the position, I don't know, tomorrow morning. This is liquidation, sell only. Oh, squishy squitches. Is that 10 minis in this heat? Yep. Yep. For the... Bob, is that correct? Were the first two... Let me ask him. Harry, come back and take your hair with you, bud. You sold and just... Okay, what was... What is your strategy? Company X? Okay. So who caught this dump? Bob did. Solid effort for 3 months, yeah. But again, Company X, what's your strategy? Have you ever pondered to build your own strategy? Isn't this theoretically my own strategy? Multi-viewer? Wait, Geordie caught the cell? What? That's impressive. Hey, that deserves a whoop whoop. Whoop whoop for you too, Company X. $10.24. Okay, this is still... Okay, this is on the paper still. BET dubs. So on the paper, we're saying screw it, we're giving it a try. And I hit there. We're nearly there. See, I've still got a mark there for you. Don't stress. I got you. My strategy is I look at the length of candles and where the price bounced. Then I trade in the same direction of the trend. Okay, if it's working for you, awesome. Okay, makes sense, makes sense. Got it. I mean, right? Well, why else would you revenge trade if there were wins? Idiot. So I'm calling myself an idiot, don't mind me. Let's see how this goes. Could still go up higher. Putting that at Asia low. This thing is insane. Hasn't quite tapped into VWAP on ES yet, but this could maybe retrace down to the inverse fair value gaps. Then back up higher. Oh no, please don't say this just wicked me in and now we're actually gonna go down. I might get grumpy. That's just French for support and resistance. I know. Probably. Nine. Might want to go back up. I'm gonna plop that there for now. Good rejection off of there. Let's see what we get. Solly, did you get anything? Did you get the sell? Then leave this up. I'm a little bit surprised. I did not expect that to reject like it did, but here we are. Going back up to here. Just a little bit frustrated with the outcome of today, but that's fine. You're gonna have some frustrating days. Okay, yeah, I expected a bit of rejection off of there. See if that now goes back up. If that was just the correct entry. Short and long being the order flow animal that I is. Damn, Jordy, okay, okay. So when's the payout? Being sassy, like I can say anything right now. Cool. Just cool. I was gonna say, wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. See if this continues going back up. That's all set, so it makes no flipping difference in my life. Move that down there. Okay, let's go to the funded. Is this FOMO? Might be FOMO. I'm hoping it's not FOMO. I low-key feel like it might be FOMO. It's not FOMO, you're fine. Shoot. Okay, too big. Range is bigger than I want it to be. Old lady who hates kids. Anyways, yeah, boom, I was looking for a stream one. Why are you deleting your lives? Yo, Trade Addict, ask him. Sorry, I didn't even know he was deleting his lives. Boom, why are you deleting your lives? What's wrong with you? Lower high, lower low. Let's see. Hey JP, what's up? It's frustrating, but it is what it is. It's basically all I have to say right now. It's just, it is what it is. Yeah. Okay, 1033, carry on. Let's watch what we get. Huh? Mm-hmm. One, two, three, one, two, three. So there's a drum mirrors. Wow. Trade Addict, what's up? Oh, you responding to Boom. My bad. My bad. Trade Addict, he's gone now. What did you see that makes you go, oh, I see why I'm giving him attitude? Did you see? Did you find it? Ah, flip, that's funny if it is. You like this? Do you know what the problem is? The problem is that I want to take a trade now on my funded. I want to take the trade, and that's a problem. The feeling of wanting to take it is a problem. Sugar honey iced tea. Cheers, Market Man. Thanks for joining. You're awesome sauce. I hope you had a great green day. Quit stealing Starbucks internet and get your own. I feel like Starbucks might do better at this point. Ooh, I'm getting frustrated. Wow. Okay, fine. Bye, Solly. Be like that. Whatever. You're hunting. What a damn Eddie. Ah, Eddie, you too funny. Hmm. Why didn't I take this trade again? Trade addict was a little bit too big. Okay. That would have been... Yeah. That would have been a loss. Wait. Wachabiki. Okay, it's coming further down than I want to see it. Oh, at this point 4 right now. Okay, so the other one went out at break even. 2, 3, no. That's fair. Okay. That's fair. My momentum shifting is bullish now. Watch out for shakeouts. JP is long here. I'm gonna watch and see what happens at this level. Kinda look like we're starting to be a little bit of a flag. Ah, it is too. Starting to look a little bit like a flag over here. Let's see what direction it breaks. Wait for the boom level at 310. What for a buy? Boom. The support for belly up on the 4 hour. Okay, so you are saying that is like the buy level. That 310. Y'all heard it from Boo Banana himself. I'm gonna take it on the paper. How big should the stop loss be? 100. Let's make the stop loss 100 there. And I'm just gonna leave it. Let's see. And had to drive now. No! Hi Hammer! What's up, bud? How you doing? How's it going? This one did take me out, but it did take me out in profit, so that's cool. It's still up on the paper account. Let's see if I now had to be like, oh, at this point we then take this, at this point we then take that. It's coiling. That is what it is doing right now. Missed this move home now, too late. Oh, hi, but also, I mean, you don't really trade during New York session. Don't now go against what you normally do. That's bad. Why is it quiet today? I don't know, Boom. It's just chilled. I'm not even complaining. It's nice to have the gang. The gang here. Everyone just chilling together. Watching. JP, you're long here. Where's your TP at? It's just us, Maya.
Nice.
I had to. The opportunity was right there. Oh, it's coiling. Coiling. Don't do anything weird like rolling your dice. Aww, what about like flipping the coin? Okay, it's on paper. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, this is low here, Bob. Let's make the stop loss there. Okay. TP. Hoyum. Let's see what happens. I don't like where the entry is there. Oh, wee! There it goes. Is it bad that I just liked it? Yeah, probably not the best thing to say right now. Seriously, maybe I should just start trading like this. Bad idea, I know, but still. You're going all the way down there. I low-key have it for Asia low, which is not all the way at the bottom. Why? Oh wait, that's just the 1 to 2 hour level, right? Right, Bob? I was gonna say, why there? You didn't take it though, Bob, did you? Okay, that's now just gone bye-bye. Oh, wait, I'm being an absolute chop. No. I should theoretically buy here. Oh dear. Okay. Bought there. As Boom said. And Asia low was taken. So that one actually would have been a winner if I just didn't move stop loss. Yeah. Boom got the right idea. No, dude. Tell Jade to get back in the kitchen. Guys, if you spam my there's a winner, she'll full porter coin flip. Can I get a partial whoop? You can! Whoop! Oh, that was so lame. I'm so sorry. I won't do that again. Okay, then. Where should stop loss be? At 100? Risk 100. Loki looks like it might just keep going down here. Boom. Hope this will hit TP and get a full whoop. Ooh, where did you get an OTT? TP hit. Hey! Whoop whoop! Guessing we might just dump. Looks like it. Yeah, looks like this is just dumping. Wow. Did you leave a runner? OTT, did you leave a runner? This thing is just going. Oh, this was yesterday's midnight. I was about to be like, what? Honestly, did you take it? And then that limit order would have been insane. Right, it didn't even get me 4 points. I just marked it all of that. Won it already. My bad. My bad. Oh yeah, apparently. This is insanity. Okay. Just okay. The pair is beyond me. Yo, no, DM, honestly, I mean, I thought it was gonna be a bullish day. Called that wrong. Guys, this is an insane dump. $720 points so far during New York. That's not normal. I can't get in on this. I literally can't get in on this. Okay, well then, just well then. This is